Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign, this is June. Weekly reading, this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini 8 sign. What are the messages for Gemini? And what's going on? Two cards. I'm not taking because two cards. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Another deck, it's your card and it's your reading. See, wow, very, very beautiful reading, Gemini. So you started listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition, and you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. The Fool card. You are enjoying every moment, especially present time, living in the present. And the Lovers, yes, there is love between you and your person, and it is about love. Definitely, there is person in your life. If you are not any person, definitely a new person is entering into your life, and the person involved in this connection could be another Gemini. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Moon, Ace of Cups, and Nine of Cups. In past, maybe you are manifesting something into your life, maybe love, new love, and your wishes are granted, definitely, because Nine of Cups with Ace of Cups. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Leo, or Aquarius, especially. So I am not getting any negative vibes from this reading because the moon here considering as very very small issues, not a big. But for some, maybe you are manifesting something, you are wishing something in past, uh, and your love towards someone is overflowing. You love someone a lot. Then present Hangman, Page of Pentacles, and Six of Wands. So you're feeling stuck. Maybe you're thinking about someone or something a lot. But you are focusing on your career also. Page of Pentacles, career focus, and Six of Wands, you are getting success, material success, and you're getting recognition for your hard work. Yes, maybe one person is popular in this connection, and Strength, the Star, and Ten of Cups, the future. So you are working on yourself, on your inner strength, and there is something positive is coming in future, and Ten of Cups, happiness is coming towards you, and the Star, uh, you are hoping or you are wishing for something, and there is some positive things will happen in near future, and there is happiness and love. Ten of Cups of happiness and love is coming towards you, Gemini. Very very beautiful and positive reading. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Aquarius, or Pisces, Leo, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Cups with Ten of Swords. I think they are wishing for something. And Ten of Swords, they're tired. They're feeling tired. And they're in so much pain. Yeah, maybe their Five of Cups is here. They are suffering. They're suffering for something or for someone. So let's see their current feelings. Gemini. Ten of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. with Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. So they are spying on you a lot. Yeah, a lot of spying is going. And Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups is here. I think they want to offer Ten of stability and Ten of Cups to you. Happy family. They want happy family with you. But right now, maybe you are in separation for some. Yeah, very few. They are in suffering in silence. Maybe they may be cheated on you, lied to you for some third party situation involved, because Seven of Swords is here. Definitely miscommunication, false communication. Yeah, don't trust this person. For some, definitely someone is sneaky in this connection. According to me, it's your person. They are sneaky. Now they have regrets. Now they are suffering in silence. So let's see their intentions, Gemini. Yeah, they are missing you. I think a lot of you are in no contact situation, or if you are in situation, this is on and off. Again, Nine of Cups with Eight of Pentacles under the deck. So they want to work on this relationship. Maybe they have regrets now. They want to work on this relationship. They are spying on you a lot. And Four of Cups. Yeah, they are missing you. They're feeling rejected. Maybe you rejected them. And they want new beginnings with you. Ace of Pentacles. But there are some trust issues. There is no trust between both of you. Especially you are not trusting this person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Ten of Wands with King of Cups. They are tired. Their emotions may be running high, or they are very busy with their work. They're feeling overburdened, but they do love you. Maybe they are realizing that you are their soulmate now. King of Cups with Nine of Wands and Justice. Maybe legal issues. One person going through in this connection right now. Marriage involved in this connection already. One person is married in this connection. Yeah, you are at some crossroads, Gemini. You have to make decision, but you are unable to make. You are at some crossroads. You are indecisive. That's why you are moving very slow moving, because you decided to move on from this person, but still some part of you want this person back. But maybe a lot of you maybe decided to move on from this person because Six of Swords under the deck. Yes, you decided to move on. For some, maybe you are waiting for this person, but a lot of you maybe you decided to move on from this person, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer, especially because Seven of Swords is here. Definitely some sneaky energy here. They're spying. They keep tabs on you. So let's see mutual. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, missed opportunity, and Ace of Pentacles with Two of Wands. For some, you both in long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries, or states. I think you both feeling missed opportunity with each other, and there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe that could be the reason. One person giving too much, but another person only taking, but not putting any effort in this relationship. Yeah, but they will make a move towards you. They are spying on you. It's up to you, Gemini, to accept or reject. But in future also, I am seeing missed opportunity because Four of Cups with Six of Pentacles. Maybe some of you will reconcile, some of you will apart. It depends on your situation. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I'm feeling sad without you. Reunion is coming. Second chance. I want to be with you forever. I realized my mistake and I want you back. So the messages are, I'm feeling sad without you. I want to be with you forever. Reunion is coming. Second chance. I realized my mistake and I want you back, and marriage. These are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle. expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. And the other, step out of your comfort zone, north node. So there are some powerful changes coming, especially in this relationship or in your life. And step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, if you are, so this is that time to work hard, to step out of your comfort zone. Yes. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do like and share. Thank you.